Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to identify whether a value is even number or not. For this, we need to use the function that is Iseven is equal to is even. And if you open the brace and select the number or value and give enter, you will see the value as true. Similarly, you can use it for all the elements. Similarly, you can use it for all the values. So it will give the value as true, false, 22 is true, 24 is true, 23 is false. Likewise, it will give the values. This is one way of identifying whether the number is even or not. The other way is go to formulas, more functions, information, and in information you can see like Iseven function. So select that and you will get a pop-up. Now say suppose you enter the value as 109 and give OK. And you will see the Iseven 109 says as false. This is another way of identifying whether the number is even or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on Excel tutorials and tips like this.